viewers, it is I, the naturally mature one, coming to you with another video. Well, I know I said girl, don't just shoot me. Forgive me. Just forgive me. I know I said I was going to try to do Saturdays and Wednesday videos, but I forgot these past 2 weekends I had things going on. It was me helping close out schools in my district, and then also my son, my baby boy, my last of my 4 children, has graduated high school, and it has been such a whirlwind event where my baby, he's an intelligent young man. He's doing great in school. I'll put a picture of him right here in his cap and gown. He has done awesome this year. He's a North Carolina scholar. He's a cum laude. He graduated cum laude in his class, and he's also going to a university here. It was a well-known university for law, and he's going and he's gotten a scholarship. So God has blessed him, and I'm so happy he's doing so well. So this is the reason, he's the reason why y'all have not gotten a video this weekend. But I am here today to do one for you, a short one, just to explain why I was not on Saturday on point. But I hate to say it, guys, my baby came first. I had to spend some time with him, and I will show you some little here, some of the things that took place that day. My mother came down, my sister came, my mother-in-law. We had friends and family that came to the regraduation. He's a great kid. He's as we say, the Obama of the family. And he's going places, so I'm expecting great things out of him. All of my children are awesome. I have 4 great, intelligent, awesome children. So, and with any ado, I also came here because I wanted to let y'all know that I just want to get your feedback on how you like the Wednesday, Bounce Back Wednesday videos. And this, I know I have not done Saturdays, you know, like I should. Or I'm going to have to call it the weekend videos, because Saturday or Sunday you might get it. Sorry, that's who I am. But I want to see how you like those. But today, as I said, I wanted to come to apologize, saying why I didn't have a video up this weekend. But I also wanted to share with you all. You see, I don't have my... Guys, give me a second. Guys, excuse me for the interruption. That was my son on the phone asking me what kind of tea I wanted, because I sent him to the store. But as I wanted you to know that I used to do unboxings on here, and I did an unboxing of the curl box, which I did with my natural hair. And I told you my videos are, well, not my videos, my channel is where it does natural hair, beauty, and lifestyle. I stopped the curl box because, as I stated before, I went to the World Natural Hair Show, and I bought so much product. I can use those products. I didn't want to have so many products where I don't use them and they go bad. So after I get through these products, maybe I'll start the curl box back up, or just buy stuff once in a while from curl box, because you can buy. You don't have to read the subscription. You can just buy stuff that they have on sale. So I wanted to share with you all that I started a new subscription, because every time I turned around, when I got on Facebook, when I got on YouTube, let me tell you, those YouTube ads do work to get you mesmerized. If you see it so many times, after a while you order the crap. So I went and ordered and became a subscription of the BoxyCharm box, and it is $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 regular size products for and it deals with cosmetic. You might get cosmetics, you might get hair products in it, you might get anything to do with beauty. So I decided I would try this because I wanted to see, because I don't like going to stores. I really don't. I'm not a shopper. And people all the time, what you mean you're not a shopper? I'm not a shopper. My husband loves to shop. I don't love to shop. I will order online with the quickness. That's who I am. If I do go in a store, I'm going there to get what I want, and then I'm leaving. That's who I am. But I thought I'd try this out. It's called BoxyCharm, and this is the June box. I'm just getting it because I just started ordering, and it didn't take long to get to me. But it's the BoxyCharm Getaway, and there it comes in the box. Looks like this. And you can order this, the $21 box, or you get the $26 box. And on certain months, on certain months, they have where you can get extra on your box, where instead of paying $21, you pay $21 plus $26 something. It comes up to $49 something a month for those 4 months out of the year, and you get extra products. But I only did the one box. I want to see if I like this first before I do anything else. So The first thing I get in here, already I know I'm gonna love it. It's a little squish, but hey, it's in here. I got, and then on this little card here, it tells you all the things you received in your box and how much it's worth. Okay. They say it values for $100. I'm looking at what they're saying is value, but later on, I'm going to look and see do it really value this, because I don't, people will advertise one thing and it'll be something totally different. But the first thing they got in here is the Steve Laurent highlighter. Its value is MSRP $23, and this is it. It's a pretty gold. If you can see this, guys, I don't know if y'all can see that. But it's a pretty gold highlighter. Let me put this down for a minute so I can make sure I see it. It's a pretty gold highlighter. So that's one of the first things I got. It says worth $23, so this alone covers the $21 that you spent. And it's pretty. Oh my God, it's pretty. I gotta open it up because I'm nosy. I just want to see how it looks on my skin. I love highlighters. Oh, it's so satiny soft. Look at this stripe. Can you see that? Wait a minute. Focus it in. There we go. That pretty swipe. Oh, I love that. That's the swipe. Oh, that's pretty. And it's so satiny, so I like that. Next thing they have in here is a primer, No Pore Blend Prime Essence by Touch and Soul. Touch and Soul No Pore Priming Essence. Already opened. We got smush. Oh, it's pretty. I love the tube. No Pore Primer Essence, and this retail MSRP $23 too. I'm sorry. Lemonade lip gloss. Oh, that is pretty. That's a pretty color. Oh, that's a pretty color. If you can see that from back here. Oh, that's pretty. Lip gloss. And I usually don't wear lip gloss, but hey, summertime, never try anything. And it smells like lemonade, okay? And this is worth MSRP of $17. The next thing in here go. I got 3 matcha green tea by Perlice antioxidant sheet mask. And you get 3 on all combination skins, all skin types and combination. I got these. And this is worth, instead of 3, $24. This natural fiber mask infused with matcha tea, green tea, and restorative Asian biotinicals. I can never say that word right. Floods your skin with antioxidants and minerals. Matcha green tea works hard to stimulate and rejuvenate your skin cells, helping with premature aging and hyperpigmentation. And then you use directions on the back how to use that. Oh, I can't wait to use one of these this week. And last but not least, oh, thank you, Jesus. I got the Tarte. I love a good palette. This is Be Your Natural Eyeshadow Palette. High Performance Naturals. Okay. Guys, I love good palettes. I'm a palette girl. I love eyeshadow. Oh, I love this. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. And let's open it up. Oh, let's try to line up with the mirror. Look at that. Pretty colors, pretty colors. Oh, I can't wait to use them. That is gorgeous. A lot of neutral color, and I'm a neutral color girl. That is gorgeous. And this retail as MSRP as the Tarte 4 shimmer shades and 4 mattes. Your new Tarte Be You Naturally palette is everything you need to create endless natural looks, from the frosty cool pinks to the rich bronze and brown tones. This palette will flatter all your skin tones while blending a smoothly thanks to its Amazonian clay formula. MSRP $36. Okay. Adding all these up, I think I made out for $21. Because this alone wouldn't have cost me $21. Okay, and shipping was nothing. I think I just had to pay tax for like $2 something. Because in our state we have to pay tax on orders, mail orders. So with all of this, let's see what the total would have been. All right, $36 plus $23 plus 17 plus 26 plus 24 equals 126. If you can see that. $126 total. So I made out like a fat rat. It was worth every bit of my money. $21 to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. Really 5, 6, 7, 8 items. Because that's 3 right there. I can use that 3 times. And here is what I got out of my box. So this was worth every bit of my money and more. So, well, it looked like, guys, the BoxyCharm is a hit for me, as I stated, because I think I will keep my subscription. I just want to, excuse me, guys. I just wanted to try it out. So BoxyCharm is a hit. And I love how I say hello charmer. They charmed me. Hello charmer. That's beautiful. But yeah, I think I will be trying this out. Oh, this sounds nice and watery. Like it's light. Excuse me. squirrel moment. But I think I will be keeping up with this and keeping this subscription. I just wanted to try it, see how it was. As they say, boxycharm, $21. And then, as I said, I just wanted to come to y'all and let y'all know that the reason why I did not do a video this weekend and let y'all think I was flaking out. You know, my family, my baby. I mean, I was highly blessed, you know, with these children. God gave me. Alright, divas, I just wanted to come back to you and let y'all know why I did not come on this weekend to do a video. And also I wanted to show you my unboxing. I've shown you what BoxyCharm has. You get 4 to 5 large size, regular size products dealing with beauty. As I say, my channel is a beauty channel with also natural hair. And I wanted you to see what I ordered for $21. You can't beat that. $126 for all those products, and all I paid was $21. And those are stuff I will be using. And if it's something I don't use, I can give away in a giveaway. So thank you again for sticking it out with me, and I do apologize again for missing my Saturday or Sunday video because of my baby. My last baby. God has been blessed me with 4 beautiful children. They're intelligent, they're doing very well in life, and I am just so proud of them. And then I'm also been blessed with an awesome husband. I just don't know, such a blessing I have. But I also want to let you see my little earrings, black, no sugar, no cream. I got these at the Natural World Hair Show from a vendor. I love them. They're lightweight. And I have a Grace Elise or Grace L bonnet on because I have not washed my hair yet, and this is going to be my week to wash my hair. Wednesday I'm going to have them come on with a video. I'm on a little mini vacation, so I'll be coming back with my regular videos. Everything is taken care of. All the events I'm in right now until August are done, so you'll be seeing regular scheduled videos like I'm supposed to be doing them. But I just wanted to apologize for not doing one, and here's the one I want to share with you. So thank you for your love, your support, your comments. And guys, have you ever tried a BoxyCharm or any type of subscription before? And if you did, what type it was, and what did you get in your subscription? Was it worth the money? I feel that the BoxyCharm was really worth the money. I love Curlbox, but I really didn't think Curlbox was worth my money because some of the products they were giving me, I could have went to the store and it would have added up to almost that price. So I just really didn't care for that too much. I love it, but I didn't love it. But BoxyCharm look like I'm going to love that because that's $126 worth of product that I only paid $21 for. You cannot beat that at all. And I'm going to use every last one of them products, especially the highlighter and the palette, because I'm a neutral kind of girl. So thank you again for your support, your love, your comments. And I hope you are having a blessed day. Remember to love hard, laugh often, and live in the moments. Smooches.